Modular motorcycle helmets offer unmatched convenience, allowing riders to enjoy an open-face experience when desired and full-face protection when needed. Here we have listed some excellent options for motorcyclists. Number 10. Shoei Neotec 3. Wherever the road leads, the Neotec 3 impresses with style, precision, and innovation, featuring a cutting-edge flip-up mechanism, ECE 2206 homologation, and a sleek aerodynamic design that enhances both comfort and performance. The helmet offers an enhanced sun visor for optimal visibility and seamlessly integrates with the Shoei Comlink system for easy communication. Additionally, the SRL3 communication system from Sena provides rich sound quality, extensive functions, and discrete integration, supporting group mesh communication for up to 24 members, HD speakers for crystal clear audio, voice command functionality, and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity with an impressive talk time of up to 8 hours. This versatile 2-in-1 helmet is designed for both urban commuting and long-distance touring, making it the ideal choice for any rider. Number 9. Roof Boxer Matte. Now we have Roof Boxer Matte Black Helmet, which is a stylish and versatile option for riders seeking both safety and a sleek design. Known for its modular functionality, the Boxer allows for easy conversion between a full face and open face helmet, making it ideal for various riding conditions. Its matte black finish adds a modern, understated aesthetic, while the helmet's aerodynamic design enhances comfort at high speeds. Equipped with a durable polycarbonate shell and an advanced ventilation system, the Roof Boxer provides optimal airflow and impact protection. The built-in sun visor and noise reduction features make it a practical choice for both urban commuting and long-distance rides. Number 8. HJC RPHA 91. The helmet features a sporty design with groove detailing, a sleek color scheme, and a comfortable soft lining. It offers excellent ventilation through adjustable chin inlets, a top slider, rear outlet, and spoiler, along with eyebrow vents on the visor to keep the forehead cool. The chin bar opens smoothly, especially compared to some other flip-back helmets. For added stability, the helmet includes a PJ homologation switch, which prevents the chin bar from falling forward. This feature also allows you to lock the chin bar in place for high-speed riding. Another notable feature is that the helmet comes in 4 outer shell sizes, ensuring a proper fit for various head sizes. Inside, there is a stainless steel ratchet, a standout feature that many riders prefer over plastic ratchets. Number 7. LS2 ADVANT. Now we have LS2 ADVANT, and this one is an entry-level flip-over helmet designed with a plastic shell featuring chin and top vents, a single-button chin bar lift, and a side-operated sun visor. The main visor includes a high-quality Pinlock 120 anti-mist insert. Weighing 1.8 kg in medium size, it's considered lightweight for its class. The helmet's comfortable lining has been well received, with users giving it an average rating of 4.7 based on early reviews. The pull tab on the strap, which simplifies opening the closure buckle, has earned praise. However, some reviewers noted noise issues, and one reported a sizing concern. Number 6. Scorpion EXO AT960. If you enjoy modular motorcycle helmets and off-road riding, your choices can be quite limited, but the Scorpion EXO AT960 stands out as an excellent option. Renowned for its value, this helmet provides essential features without breaking the bank, making it a great alternative to the pricier SCHUBERTH E1. The AT960 includes an adjustable and removable sun peak, a drop-down sun visor, a relatively quiet ride, and effective ventilation. Its wide and tall visor enhances visibility, ensuring a clear view on both the road and trails. Weighing just under 3.8 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some modular helmets, but remains lighter than many competitors. However, it does require the visor to be removed for goggles and can feel warm during vigorous off-road activities. Number 5. SMK GULLWING TEKKER. Featuring PJ homologation, this helmet allows for use in both open face and full face modes. Its shell is constructed from energy impact resistant thermoplastic with an abrasion resistant finish. The interior is designed for comfort, featuring a moisture wicking anti-static liner and an intermediate oval fit. For ventilation, the helmet includes vents on the crown, chin, and rear. It comes equipped with an extra wide double glass face shield for enhanced visibility, a retractable sun shield, and features like wind stoppers, a breath deflector, and a quick release strap for easy handling. Additionally, the helmet includes a Pinlock ready visor and weighs approximately 3.8 pounds. Number 4. NOLAN N106. The NOLAN N106 is a versatile modular helmet that provides the freedom of an open-face design along with the protection of a full-face model. Its dual-action chin guard opening system allows for smooth one-handed operation, making it easy to flip up the chin guard when you need to communicate. For a secure and comfortable fit, the helmet incorporates LPC, liner positioning control, ensuring it sits perfectly on your head. Enhance your riding experience with NCOM-ready integration, which allows for seamless connection to communication systems. Additionally, the helmet features an automatic retraction system for easy adjustment of the VPS sunscreen to meet your needs. Number 3. SCHUBERTH C5. Constructed with a lightweight carbon fiber shell, the SCHUBERTH C5 combines strength and durability while remaining one of the lighter helmets in its class. It features dual safety certification, ECE 22.05 and DOT, meeting stringent safety standards for both European and North American markets. The helmet includes an advanced ventilation system with adjustable air inlets and exhausts for optimal airflow and temperature regulation during the long rides. A notable feature is its compatibility with integrated communication systems, allowing seamless integration with SCHUBERTH's proprietary devices. With a large visor for an expansive field of view and a pin lock insert to prevent fogging, the interior boasts a moisture-wicking, removable, and washable liner for comfort and hygiene. Additionally, it features an easy-to-use sun visor that can be deployed or retracted effortlessly. Number 2. NOLAN N121. On number 1, we have NOLAN N121. This helmet incorporates innovative flip-back technology, allowing for effortless backward rotation of the chin guard to achieve an open-face feel while retaining the safety and versatility of a full-face helmet. This design features a dual-action chin guard opening system for smooth operation and enables you to customize the fit for enhanced comfort during rides. The helmet is NCOM-ready, facilitating easy integration with communication systems for staying connected with fellow riders, enjoying music, or accessing GPS navigation. Additionally, it emphasizes sustainability with eco-friendly fabrics and includes an automatic retraction system for conveniently adjusting the VPS sunscreen to meet your needs. Number 1. AGV Tourmodular. It's not just a modular helmet, it's as safe as a full-face helmet designed with maximum comfort in mind. Every ride is an adventure, and this helmet is here to enhance that journey. Tourmodular is backed by over 75 years of expertise in protecting riders. With 3 outer shell sizes and 4 inner shell sizes, this helmet minimizes bulk while maintaining a sleek profile. The innovative 5-density inner shell ensures maximum protection in every section. Plus, it's hermetic, keeping out water and environmental elements. The collar and key interior areas are water repellent. Here's something special. Tourmodular is the first modular helmet to feature a communication system that integrates DMC technology. This means you can connect seamlessly with up to 15 systems, having an impressive range of up to 6 kilometers. Thank you for watching.